Today we're making a real quick video to show you some vodka infused drinks that we make at home. You can actually do it yourself. Very, very quick and easy. We did it one time for Christmas. It actually turned out to be really, really good. We ended up giving it as gifts to different people. Super refreshing, quick and easy. First step, what we started with today was Titos Vibe. We've also tried it with, what's the other vodka we tried it with? Ciroc. This works really, really well. Hell, you can do it with water if you want to. But to have an adult beverage, you're actually gonna do some vodka. We actually did fruit. We're gonna start with grapes. Now this is gonna be a little different. Cucumber, stupid refreshing. Raspberries, apples, honeydew milk, mango, cantaloupe, pineapple, and watermelon. First thing is, this is what we did previously. A little bit smaller containers. Super hard to get the fruit inside of it. So we actually went ahead and upgraded and got a little bit larger. This way, fruit goes in a little bit easier. Once you pour it in the alcohol, you have to worry about any type of spills or anything like that. Super, super easy, fresh choppedness. The only thing you're really doing is just adding it to the container itself. I've already got the grapes in there. I'm actually adding the cucumber in there right now. This one is really, really different. We gave it a try the first time. It was very refreshing. Okay, we got the honeydew melon in there. Now we're going to the mango. Also, when we host parties, like family get-togethers or special events, if we do drinks, we'll actually add fruit to the dispensers that we have, and it works out very, very well too.
We use our infused vodka that's already been infused.
Yep. Pineapple time. This is where we are right now. We went about halfway, so you have enough room for your fruit and your vodka. So after trial and error for the first time we did this, what we realized is the easiest way to go is put the vodka inside the container to go to the funnel.
Okay guys, here's what it looks like, finished product. Chris has really pretty handwriting, so he writes that on those. And some of them we've added ribbons and different colors just to make them fun, but a lot of times when people come to hang out, we'll send them home with one of these, but they're just really pretty. I like the smaller versions too. It's hard to get the fruit in and out, but they're so pretty on the tablescape. They really make it fun. We put all the different fruits in that one. That'll be good. It'll be mixed fruit.
Hey everybody, I brought my buddy Joey here. We're about to do some sampling of this stuff we just made. Which one you want to try first?
Mango. I think I'm gonna try the mango.
Alright, I'll go with that one.
Try the mango. I'm gonna do a little shot before I make a drink.
I think I'm gonna try the Honeydew.
Yeah,
There we go.
Try yours.
Okay.
You try mine.
Let me get this. This is mango, right?
Yeah. What is this? Cucumber?
No, that's
Honeydew. Okay. You do honeydew.
What it do, honeydew?
Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
The next one up, this is old watermelon. Let's see what this is talking about.
This is the mixed fruit, right?
Yeah. Let's try them. Taste this. You ready to switch?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that one. You try the watermelon. Here's this. Oh yeah, that one's it. That one's really it. That's the good one right there. I like that one.
You can definitely taste the watermelon in this one, but I just like the mix of
Yeah,
everything
I like
in
the
that
mix
too.
and everything in this, and all the flavors coming together. It really pulls everything together. It's nice, smooth taste. So yeah, that's the one I'm gonna go with. Well, this is a new one. This is a new one. What is this? Grape?
Yeah, it's a great one.
We both can try this one same time. I'm glad I'm walking.
Joey's our neighbor, guys. He's not driving.
Yeah. Let me try that. Cheers.
Cheers, brother. All right, so we're done with the sampling. My favorite's going to have to be the watermelon.
Mine is gonna have to be the mix. All of them are dope, but this one right here is just eclectic, man. I like it. Everything blends together, and it just makes for a good drink.
There you go.
This one's my drink for the rest of the evening. Top it off with one of these. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.
Ready?